Thank you very much. Thank you.
So I'd like to welcome everyone here today to the famous Blacksmiths shop here at Gretna Green in Scotland, where we're going to witness the joining together in marriage of Mark and Joanne. My name's Deborah McFarlane and I'm an assistant registrar appointed by the Registrar General for Scotland as a person authorised to solemnise civil marriages in accordance with the provisions of the Marriage Scotland Act 1977. Before I proceed with this civil marriage ceremony, it's necessary that you should both identify yourselves by answering the following question. It's okay, it's not a hard one. Are you Mark Anthony Long?
I think so. Yes.
Sure?
I am.
Good. Okay, and are you Joanne Morris?
I am.
Perfect. It's always good to know I've got the right people at this stage. So we're now gathered here in order that I may solemnise your marriage in the presence of your witnesses, Eden and Liam, and the rest of your friends and family here today. And in accordance with the law of Scotland, I can confirm that the requirements of that law preliminary to your marriage have been satisfied, so we're good to go. Okay? No backing out now. Okay. So before you, Mark, and you, Joanne, are joined in marriage, it's my duty to remind you of the binding character of the vows you're about to make. Marriage, according to the law of this country, is a union of two people, voluntarily entered into for life and to the exclusion of all others. I now require that you make a declaration accepting each other as husband and wife. Okay. Could I ask you to pass your flowers back? Okay. Turn and face each other. And Mark, if you could take Joanne's right hand in your right hand. Gets everybody. Now, Mark, you're going to go first, please, if you'd repeat after me.
Okay.
I, Mark Anthony Long,
I, Mark Anthony Long,
solemnly and sincerely declare
solemnly and sincerely declare
that I know
that I know
of no legal impediment
no legal impediment
to my marrying
Joanne Morris.
Perfect. Joanne, your turn. I, Joanne Morris, solemnly and sincerely declare that I know of no legal impediment to my marrying Mark Anthony Long. Hold both hands and continue to look lovingly into each other's eyes for
Don't
me.
be pretending.
So Mark, you're going to go first again, please. I, Mark, accept you, Joanne,
I, Mark, accept you, Joanne,
as my lawful wedded wife,
as my lawful wedded wife,
to have and to hold from this day forward, for better, for worse, for richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish, to the exclusion of all others, for as long as we both shall live. Perfect. Joanne, your turn. I, Joanne, accept you, Mark, as my lawful wedded husband, to have and to hold from this day forward, for better, for worse, for richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish, to the exclusion of all others, for as long as we both shall live. You are now going to exchange rings, which is the traditional way of sealing the vows that you've just made. The wedding ring is an unbroken circle which symbolises unending and everlasting love, and it's the outward sign of the lifelong promises that you've just made to each other. So Liam, could you please bring the rings down, and if you could place them on the anvil for me. That's lovely, thank you very much. So Mark, would you like to pick up Joanne's ring? And if you could place that on the third finger of her left hand. And as you put the ring on her finger, if you could say after me, Joanne, I give you this ring.
Joanne, I give you this ring
as a token of my love.
And
my commitment to you. That's done now. Joanne, would you like to pick up Mark's ring? And again, third finger of his left hand. If you could Say after me, please. Mark, I give you this ring
Mark, I give you this ring
as a token of my love
as a token of my love
and my commitment to you.
and my commitment to you.
Perfect. These rings have been given as a token of the bond into which you have both now entered, and by virtue of the declaration made by you both in my presence and in the presence of your witnesses and your friends and family here today, it's my honour and privilege to pronounce you husband and wife. Many congratulations.
Thank
Because
you.
you're married. While I've got you here, we've got a big anvil sitting in the middle of the room. It'd be a bit remiss of us not to talk about it, wouldn't it? So, the reason we have this is, obviously, this is the original blacksmith shop here at Gretna Green. And we've all heard the stories of young couples running away to get married. The reason for that was the blacksmith was the first tradesperson across the border who could legally marry people. And the reason that's important is the fact that back in 1754, the English marriage laws changed. And it meant you couldn't get married without your father's consent. You had to be 21 to have that. You could still, however, get married at 16 in Scotland without parental consent. So that meant a lot of young people were coming up here to get married because they didn't need to go through the rigmarole of waiting for dad's consent. So you as a young couple, you've come all the way up here, you've knocked on the door here. Blacksmith said, come in, make yourself at home. He's downed his tools, obviously the anvil's the tool of the trade. And you had just said to him you wanted to get married. So he'd have just asked you 3 questions. The first is, are you old enough to marry?
I think so. Yeah.
Probably only just.
Yes.
Only just. Are you free to marry?
Yes.
Yeah. Do you want to marry?
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah. Well, that being said,
Just get the hand.
can you put your wedding hand? Let's pop that one on there. That's a lovely ring. Can you pop that over there just to protect your wife? Because just in case I miss with the hammer. Alright? And it would be a case of strike the anvil and pronounce you married. Okay?